The Igbo community in Sokoto State has marked the Christmas celebration with a humanitarian visit to inmates at the Sokoto Correctional Centre, where indigenous people of Biafra leader Nnamdi Kanu is currently being held. In a statement signed by Nze A.C. Madu, the community described the outreach as an act of compassion, unity, and communal responsibility. According to the statement, members of the community spent time with inmates at the facility, sharing meals and fellowship in the spirit of Christmas season. The initiative, the community said, was inspired by the disposition of Nnamdi Kanu, who is reportedly being held at the center. Rather than focusing on a single individual, the community said it chose to extend in goodwill to all inmates, ensuring that the center correctional population benefited from the festive gesture. The outreach reportedly provided Christmas meals to about 1,300 inmates, reinforcing values of charity, inclusion, and shared humanity. The Igbo community said the act was rooted in the cultural principle of being one another's keeper, regardless of background or circumstance. They expressed hope that the initiative would promote peace, unity, and goodwill beyond the Christmas period. Nnamdi Kanu was transferred to the Sokoto Correctional Centre following his conviction on 7 counts of terrorism, for which he received a life sentence alongside additional jail terms in November 2025. This is Flip TV.